In this video, I will show you exactly how to add professional transitions between your scenes in Adobe Express using the Scene Swap feature. Transitions are essential for creating a polished look and ensuring that your content flows naturally from one idea to the next without any jarring jumps. To get started, open your current project and make sure your timeline is fully visible at the bottom of your workspace. If you do not see the timeline, simply click on a video clip or a page to reveal the sequence of your project. Once your timeline is ready, locate the specific intersection where one video clip ends and the next one begins. Move your cursor slowly between these two pages or clips until you see a small plus icon appear right at the center of the scene. This little icon is the key to unlocking your creative motion options. Go ahead and click that plus icon, and then select the option that says Add Transition from the small menu that pops up. As soon as you click this, a side panel will open up on the left side of your screen, showing you a variety of styles to choose from. You can opt for a classic dissolve for a soft and subtle change, or perhaps something more dynamic, like a slide, or a push if you want to add some energy to your edit. You can even adjust the duration of the transition to make it fast and snappy or slow and cinematic, depending on the mood of your video. Simply click on a style to preview it instantly on your canvas. It is a great idea to experiment with different styles to see which one fits the rhythm of your audio and visual storytelling best. Once you have picked your favorite, the transition is automatically applied and you can continue editing the rest of your masterpiece. Adding these small details is what separates a basic video from a high-quality production that keeps viewers engaged. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you level up your next creative project.